Hello friend, what if I told you one factory in China can process over 1 million tiny frog skins every year? Each skin takes 1 to 3 weeks to become premium leather. Why pay millions for frog skins? Step inside these secret factories and witness the shocking, unbelievable process. The day begins when refrigerated trucks arrive from the bullfrog farms of Guangxi and Jiangsu. The frogs, large American bullfrog stock raised specifically for meat and skin, travel alive in temperature-controlled tanks. Workers sort them by weight and size in seconds on automated belts. The selected frogs then enter sealed chambers bathed in soft blue light. Carbon dioxide fills the space, the frogs fall asleep instantly, and within moments the skin is removed in one complete piece. Fine salt showers down immediately to cure and preserve the raw skin. The salted skins move directly into the first soaking tanks, filled with warm enzyme solution. The enzymes dissolve surface fats and clean the inner layer without damaging the delicate collagen structure. A high-pressure water mist follows, so dense the entire room turns white for a full minute. Workers wipe each skin by hand with microfiber cloths to ensure no residue remains. The defatting drums come next. The skins rotate slowly while organic solvents pull out every trace of natural oil. Lime solution swells the fiber, opening the structure. A mild acid bath neutralizes the lime, and another enzyme drum softens and smooths the leather. By the end of this beam house stage, the skins are perfectly clean, uniformly thick and ready for tanning. Large wooden drums now take over. They are filled with concentrated vegetable tannins extracted from quebracho and mimosa bark. The skins spend up to 48 hours tumbling gently, absorbing the tannins that will make them true leather. When the drum opens, the skins have turned a deep, even shade. They are rinsed, then sent through a second tanning cycle for added strength and suppleness. Pickling in mild salt and acid prepares the leather for dyeing. The dye room contains rows of rotating stainless drums. One drum holds midnight black, another deep burgundy, a third metallic bronze, a fourth jade green. Each batch is dyed separately, then over-dyed for multi-tone effects. The skins emerge saturated with color that reaches all the way through the fiber. Warm oil mixtures are massaged into the leather in the fat-lingering drums. This step replaces natural oils and gives the finished leather its legendary softness. Vacuum dryers remove excess moisture in minutes. A shaving machine then skims the flesh side until every skin is exactly 0.6 millimeters thick. Lasers scan for imperfections and measure every square centimeter. The dried colored leather is rolled lightly to set the final texture, some matte, some high gloss. Digital tables display the cutting patterns. CNC lasers cut the tiny skins into precise components for belts, card holders, mini bags and jackets. Even the smallest offcuts are collected and turned into key fobs or watch straps. The stitching floor runs like clockwork. Industrial machines with fine needles join the pieces at high speed. A single miniature crossbody bag may use 12 different colored panels, each seam hidden inside. Belts receive solid titanium buckles. Bomber jackets are assembled from 40 separate skins, the grain matched perfectly across every panel. Edges are beveled, sanded and painted by hand in multiple thin coats. Quality control is exhaustive. Samples are stretched to 30 kilograms without damage. Finished bags are soaked under running water. Droplets bead and roll off instantly. UV chambers test color fastness for hundreds of hours. Only pieces that pass every test receive the final embossed mark, guaranteeing vegetable tan Chinese bullfrog leather. Packing begins in a quiet, climate-controlled hall. Each item is wrapped in acid-free tissue, placed in a silk dust bag, then nestled inside a cedar box. The boxes are scanned, sealed and loaded onto pallets. At dusk, the same refrigerated trucks that arrived with live frogs now depart carrying finished luxury goods bound for airports and high-end boutiques worldwide. Three weeks earlier, those trucks delivered living animals. Now they carry silent cedar boxes containing belts worth $1,200, miniature bags worth nearly $9,000, and jackets that retail for $28,000. $1 million frogs a year, 21 days each, and an ancient craft updated with modern precision turns a humble farm animal into some of the most expensive leather on Earth.